Farmers are the backbone of our society. From food, feeds to fabric, they make the biggest contribution in our community. And the best lesson we can take from them is the value of hard work. But what if we can empower them to do more and earn more? Meet Mr. Joy. He is a reliable tenant farmer managing 7 hectares of farms wherein 2 hectares is dedicated for vegetable crops. His biggest frustration is irrigating his crops, especially during the dry season. Now, meet Mr. Bryce, a farmer scientist. Mr. Bryce knows that aside from proper irrigation, soil health is the foundation for higher crop yield. Yet, he can only test his soil once a year because manual testing is expensive and it takes time away from other farm duties. His frequent question is my soil fertile enough? Both Mr. Bryce and Mr. Joy spend long hours irrigating and applying fertilizer in their farms. Both of them want to do more so they can earn more. What if we can help Mr. Bryce and Mr. Joy monitor farm operations remotely, provide real-time soil data through accurate soil sensors, and optimize their use of fertilizers by applying only the right amount in the right place at the right time? With Irrigation, automated irrigation and nutrient management system, our farmers get a synergistic system with comprehensive soil sensors that accurately measure soil conductivity, moisture, humidity, temperature, pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. System will notify our farmers of the availability of water directly from the source. Communication system that can log all this data and send real-time updates and recommendations to farmers when to irrigate and apply fertilizer to ensure healthy soils and increase crop yield. Solar-powered irrigation and fertigation system through drip irrigation process that maintains pressure to achieve an even water distribution. Through the support and funding of East-West Seeds, Circa, and their partner institutions, we began our journey in creating Project Irrigation, from the design thinking stage to the manufacturing stage, up until we reached the field implementation stage. But the most fulfilling part of our journey is knowing that we can empower vegetable farmers like Mr. Bryce and Mr. Joy improve their overall efficiency and productivity through precision agriculture. Irrigation system gave us an opportunity to express computer applications in the fields of agriculture and farm management. Current field tests showed Irrigation's hardware capability to withstand farm temperatures and weather conditions, where it surpassed stress tests and still at its optimum performance, which proved itself as an effective farmer's partner in achieving their goals. After Irrigation's first successful field implementation, we will focus on the improvements in its design and features. We plan to make Irrigation be more user-friendly through indication lights, sounds, and switches. With this, our farmers are informed with their farm status, regardless if they are tech-savvy or not. We also plan to use wireless soil sensors so it would be more convenient to test soils with varying slopes and locations. This separate soil sensor kit will have the ability to show soil test results real-time. Then, the data will be transmitted to the main Irrigation system where automation of irrigation and fertigation are controlled. For larger-scale Irrigation system designs, water reservoir may also be installed to ensure consistent performance of the system. Meanwhile, we will develop Irrigation's capability of cloud computing where farm data are accessible through the cloud in Irrigation's dashboard. With a single click, farmers will be able to conveniently monitor their farm status and respond to its needs. With this, we can confidently say that computer engineering is not just about developing ways to make computers faster and more capable in this rapid modernization pace of technology. Computer engineering involves the design and development of systems based on computer and complex digital logic devices. These systems find use in such diverse tasks as computation, communication, information processing, artificial intelligence, and control. Computer engineering has the potential to empower people from different fields of expertise, from professional administrative jobs to marginalized sectors like our farmers who feed us and our families. By focusing on advancing the agricultural sector in the Philippines, we are also exploring ways of applying our knowledge in computer engineering in fields where we can have the biggest impact. And this time, we choose our roots, our food providers, our farmers.